Right now we're at 10415 Country Bluff. This is in the Country View subdivision. We're off Prue Road and Babcock. Kind of look down the road here at the neighborhood. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. As you see here, you have a front yard here. And the entrance to this house is going to be on the side here. So we're going to go through this gate. This property is managed by Liberty Management. We're going to have another kind of a yard area here on the side. So you're going to have a front yard, this side yard, and then there's still a backyard back to that fence back there. We'll get to that in a second. Let me swing around here and show you the front again. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Square footage approximately 2,041. This is in the north side ISD. We're going to go to the front of the house first. As you can see already, there's 2 dining areas. Your dining area, formal dining, will be right here. Breakfast area here on your left with the kitchen. Laundry area is right through this space here. Washer and dryer on either side of that space. Down this hallway up in the front, you're going to have 2 bedrooms. Get a look at this closet. These 2 bedrooms, approximate size is 10 by 15. Excuse me, 11 by 14 and 11 by 12. Approximate size in the front bedroom. On the left here is your garage. It does have a garage door opener, 2-car garage. The second bathroom up front here with these other 2 bedrooms. Nice wood floor throughout here. Nice big living space here, open floor plan. Wood burning fireplace. Look right back through there. And the master is right off the living area. Nice big master, has plenty of space for your bed and your chest of drawers, and then you're also going to have a little reading area over there, a little sitting area. This master is approximately 15 by 25, also has a fan. Into the master bath. Double vanity here. Pretty spacious bathroom. Another area here, you can put a chair there, another mirror. Tub and shower. 1 closet here in the back, 1 more here in the front. This property, as I said, is managed by Liberty Management. You can always go by and see them at 7217 Cantera Road. Their phone number is 210-681-8080. Realtor Mark Fee also has a lot of information. You can call him at 210-618-9161. Nice covered patio out here into the backyard. As you remember, we came from the front earlier, and your backyard here. We'll step out here. Once again, this is 10415 Country Bluff. It's in Country View subdivision. That's off Babcock Road and Prue Road, not too far from Cantera Road. It's also not too far from the Liberty Management office. Once again, their phone number is 210-681-8080. You can also call Mark Fee at 210-618-9161. Thank you for watching.